our rights as advocates to serve the public, the right of the public to get services and qualified conditions. We have tried our best to try to talk to the registrar. He's avoided us. He's insulting lawyers. He's mistreating the members of the public. That kind of person has no room in Kisii. He has had problems elsewhere. Kisii land registry is not a registry for rejects. I know there's an indication that he has protection elsewhere. We feel he has godfathers, but we'll smoke him out. We are here today to smoke him out. That's what we say.
Our list of demands, which is in the petition which we provided last week, must be met. It must be met. We have to have searches being issued with a lot of conditions. We have to have our green cards being issued. The land registrar must respect court summons, akitwa pale atoe ushahidi kotini. The land registrar must see the advocates who wish to see him in chambers. And in short, the land registrar must just leave this place. Sababu kwenye alikuwa pale, alifukuzwa out of these same reasons. We don't want reject that you are picketing for today. Now, notice goes out to the police force. We love you as our protectors. And remember, pia nyinyi maaskari, you are affected by the land registrar. Mkifanya investigation zenu, anawanyimanga search. Anawanyimanga search. Inafaa pia nyinyi mkuje msaidie kuambia afanye venye anafaa kufanya. You are also affected and yet you are the one standing between us na kumtoa huko ndani. Lakini sasa tu ajue Monday tuko hapa. Tuesday tuko hapa. We shall not relent.
We shall not relent.
Notice has been issued of our picketing. The police protect us at all costs next week. As of now,
no law that requires the police officers to approve or give a nod to a demonstration. It is a constitutional right which we were exercising until the police themselves decided to riot. I don't know why police officers love rioting instead of those people who were picketing. If anyone thinks that they are going to protect Ayenda through the use of tear gas, we want to remind them that we took an oath to protect the constitution of this country known as Kenya. We will walk and we will do everything possible to make sure that that capricious, obnoxious man known as Ayenda goes and leaves Kisii in peace. Because I'm telling you, we are not doing this for ourselves. We are doing this for the good people of Kisii County. Because if today you want to sell your land, Ayenda said you cannot sell your land. Because the requirements that he is putting for you to sell your land, they are not possible. Equally, if you want to sue someone on a property, Ayenda is telling you that you must produce that person to give you permission. These are the kind of things that we are saying that we are not going to allow. Ayenda may have godfathers, but we want to tell him that we have God the Father. Amen. And Ayenda must.
So unfortunate that someone can exercise power that does not exist. So Mr. Ayenda, the land registrar, who has been brought to Kisii to serve the public, is not serving the public, serving his own interests and the interests of unknown people. Therefore, he has set draconian rules that cannot allow us to transact. Land transaction in Kisii are stalemate, and we cannot allow that because those briefs, they are not our own briefs. We have been contracted by the public to serve them, and while exercising due diligence, that has been blocked. It's not possible to do that. And therefore, we are saying that because this is a public office being held by Mr. Ayenda, we cannot allow that to continue. That's why we are picketing. But it's not fortunate that our colleagues, I call them our colleagues, the police are our colleagues who are supposed to also uphold the rule of law. They are now blocking. They are making us to backslide. This is not the time. You are telling us you have declined our request. It's not a request. We are notifying you so that you provide security. And we are demanding that the OC